Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find a value. Solution: 5 power a plus 5 power a plus 5 power a equal to 60. Now we are going to take 5 power a common. So 5 power a open bracket 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to this 60. Now 5 power a open bracket 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 equal to 60. Now we are going to divide by 3 on both sides. Divide by 3 here. Now this 3 cancels this. So we have 5 power a equal to 60 by 3. Now 5 power a equal to, now simplify this, you get 20 here. Here 20. Now take a log on both sides. So log 5 power a equal to log 20. Now this 20 can be written as 5 times of 4. This we are going to apply here. So log 5 power a equal to log 5 times of 4. Now we are going to apply this log product formula. Log AB equal to log a plus log b. This formula we are going to apply here. Log 5 power a equal to log 5 plus log 4. Now log 5 power a equal to log 5 plus log 4. Now we are going to apply this power formula, that is log m power n equal to n log m. This log power formula we are going to apply here. So we will get a log 5 equal to log 5 plus log 4. Now we are going to divide by log 5 on both sides. Log 5 here, right hand side log 5. Now this log 5 cancels this log 5. So we have a equal to log 5 plus log 4 by log 5. Now a equal to log 5 by log 5 plus log 4 by log 5. Now this log 5 cancels this. So here 1. Now we have a equal to 1 plus log 4 by log 5. Now we are going to apply this log formula, that is log a by log b equal to log a base b. This log formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get a equal to 1 plus log 4 base 5. This is the a value. Now we are going to verify this with the equation that 5 power a plus 5 power a plus 5 power a equal to 60. Here a value is a equal to 1 plus log 4 base 5. Now we are going to apply this first. So 5 power a equal to 5 power a value we are going to apply here. 1 plus log 4 base 5. So now 5 power a equal to 5 power 1 plus log 4 base 5. Now we are going to apply this expression identity that a power m plus n equal to a power m times a power n. This express identity we are going to apply here. So we'll get 5 power a equal to 5 power 1 times 5 power log 4 base 5. Now 5 power 1 is 5 times this, we are going to apply this formula a power log b base a equal to b. This formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get 4 here. Now 5 times 4 is 20. So 5 power a equal to 20. Now we are going to apply in this original equation. The original equation is 5 power a plus 5 power a plus 5 power a equal to 60. Now 20 plus 20 plus 20 equal to 60. Now this is 40 plus 20 equal to 60. Now 60 equal to 60. So LHS equal to RHS. This is verified. Thanks for watching this video.